Hey, my name is Omar. Welcome to JamRock Flavor Pot, and today we're going to show you how to make fried dumpling. Out. For the fried dumpling, we're going to use all-purpose flour, butter, baking powder, salt, little bit of sugar, ice cold water, and milk. So in order to achieve the flakiness from the Johnny cake, how I do it, incorporate butter and then use my finger and knead it in and get that fine breadcrumbs like aspect of it.
Niggas they strive for real. We getting them bands for real. Yeah, I'm back in the city now, shit's on blast. Style upgraded, we outclassed. 7 years gone, the time went fast. The party last night, it was dope as hell. I got the recipe, cooking that beef, time to unleash. I am that man she wanted me. I'm that nigga they inspired to be. Chef in the house, ham in the kitchen, aim for the stars, man in the mission. Don't know these niggas, let them do the dishes. She take her clothes off, I'm taking them pictures. Free my mind, I'm riding the wave. Rappers today, they sound the same. Shooting at niggas, they bound to fade. Living this long, we celebrate. Shawty get down for real, the ass can bounce for real. My niggas, they strive for real. We getting them bands for real. Shawty get down for real, the ass can bounce for real. My niggas, they strive for real. We getting them bands for real. Cut it.
JamRock Flavor Pot, I so with it.